Good morning everybody, it's Hugh from Berthon. Here we are, it's turning into winter, but today we're bringing the sunshine of Sweden to your door. Today we're going to look at HAVILDAR II. She's an absolutely lovely 2018 windy Chinook 46. The wind is whistling in the rigs, it's about to rain. Let's get on board and see what she's made of. Hello everybody, it's Hugh here from Berthon. We're looking at HAVILDAR II today. She's a 2018 Windy 46 Chinook from the mighty windy boats of Scandinavia. She was built in 2018. She's got the white superstructure, grey top sides. She's got the square aft windows, which came about in the very late 46s. So 4 windows here giving light directly into the saloon. The aft windows are giving light into the 2 aft cabins, so this one into the port, the one's on the other side to the starboard. So we've got 3 cabins in her, so 3 cabin boat with 2 heads. The port lights here are giving light into the forward cabin and the forward heads compartment, built by Windy, the Genii. She's quite rare insofar as she's got the aft Mediterranean sun pad, which gives you this lovely seating area aft. You still get a really good storage compartment down here, which in some of the English boats was flipped onto its side so that you didn't actually have this sun pad. You just had a seat along there, but this gives you both options. So we've got space here for a high-low bathing platform. She's running on IPS 600s, so plenty of poke, and it allows us to launch this AB tender, which is available through separate negotiation with the outboard engine here. So beautiful, stunning, really nicely designed boat. Hull designed by Hans-Jürgen Johnson, as good as it gets. She's a 40-knot boat, 3-cabin cruiser. Unbelievably popular. Wish they'd kept on making these. They are just superb. And we helped the current owner find this one, and he's had a fantastic time with her here at Berthon. Aft bathing platform gives way into this beautiful Koto sand Movida upholstery. So all of this can be used as sun pad or as seating. Grey caulking on the teak decks to bathing platform. There's a passarelle just in here in this letterbox system. Got hot and cold shower with tap there and diffused lighting throughout. In through this gate and we're into the main cockpit area. So we've got this wonderful wrap-round seating area. So it's incredibly sociable. It's underneath the hard top and it's got good seating for 8 people here around this table. 3 forward-facing crew seats and 1 helm seat up at the main console. So everybody gets a really great view forward over this nice Nextel dash, and we've got this enormous sunroof aperture. So we've got a fabric lid that moves forward under power. 3 dimmable overhead lights, all LED in the hard top, so plenty of light coming down onto this area here. And straight through the console floor here of the cockpit, we've got a hatch. And this is access to your IPS drive package and engines. So generator is just seated at the forward end. It's an Onan upgrade. Then we've got 2 what are actually D6435s, which are twinned to IPS pod drives and known as the IPS 600. We have passarelle to port and water heating and your demister package over to starboard. So she's fitted with both air conditioning and heating, so we'll do any temperature zone that you wish to use her from. Just close this up and take a look at this signature cockpit table. So cockpit table is a kind of windy trademark. These beautiful designs done by a company called Isgord under license. So that goes up and down. There's a switch here at the dash to jack it up and down. But if you flip this out, you've got an enormous place to spread your food out on. So everybody can sit here, fold it in half, drop it down. It's a coffee table, and it's directly opposite this wet bar. So teppanyaki grill. We've got a hot and cold sink here, drains overboard. We've got an isotherm refrigerator and an isotherm ice maker, which just sit neatly inside these two doors. Over at the aft end, we've got main battery isolators. So isolators, we've got remote generator start, master volt charging circuits. These are your isolators. This is water heater and charger inverter switching, and this gives you your shore power input source. She's fitted with the passarelle, that's the control panel, and also the high-low H&B bathing platform there. So really easy, everything exactly where you need it. We'll just flick the lid down. It's quite a useful area at the front end. We've got a little bin that sits in here with a fire extinguisher inside there, so you can just lose odds and sods. And then there's a recess on the port side of the cockpit, which is really useful for just life jackets or whatever else you need. Grab rails throughout. Remember, it's a Windy, renowned for really great build quality and excellent seakeeping. And this is your main helm. So we've got 3 forward-facing crew seats, all in matching Movida sand. We've got the helm seat over with its own floor that can be folded flat or can be folded in half. So if you need to pop your head out at the top, you can keep it level, or you fold it away completely for when you're seated down. So that's a really nice adjustable seat there with a bolstering. This is the fuel cutoffs for generator and both engines. And then we've got, in turn, Seafire fire extinguisher, Eberspacher heater control. So that's that there. This is your EVC start panel for Volvo Penta. Twin displays, which are digital. Humphrey auto trim is fitted with interceptors. So that's all in there. Then moving forward, we've got the single lever controls. This is your IPS docking station, so joystick control there and high power mode here. She's fitted with chain counter. And then we've got all the analog displays here, and this is your bow thruster. Just give it a quick whoosh, there we go, and turn it off like that. This is autopilot, slave for radio, and these are hatch controls for the sunroof, and this is to move your plotter. So this is on a really neat arrangement, so you can get the plotter at exactly the right level for whatever the sun is doing. We've got a pair of these, so we can have one set to radar, one set to scan. Dash is in dove grey Nextel, so anti-glare, and then we've got a nice fusion system here with speakers outside. And then this is all your 12 volt switching from lights, pumps, taps, anchor windlass, washers, and plenty of grab holds throughout. So fantastic view forward over this quite thin mullion. Really nice wraparound cage, and then we've got the garage aft that takes the hardtop. This is your radar arch with your horns and scanner. And it's a phenomenally good cockpit. I mean, it's really simple, it's really effective. And then we head to the forward end, we've got a shutting door, and it's 4 steps down, and we are at the level of the main saloon. So she's trimmed in, for my money, the nicest colour scheme. Beautifully figured walnut. As you can see, everything is bookmarked. The same piece of timber is running right through these eye-level lockers. Finished by ice gourd and a marsh oak floor. It's got the anthracite worktops here, which is that sort of beautiful pewter grey. So we've got a 4-burner hob, we've got isotherm fridge, really nice Bosch convection oven jobby. This is your storage here. So this is a hanging locker with a rail in it, really useful for life jackets or oilies. Then there are 4 lockers, all beautifully designed by Isgord. It's proper punchy gear. This it's really chunky. It's very, very Swedish. Beautifully finished. Gives you masses and masses of storage volume for this boat. Got a small couch over on the starboard side. It's beautifully finished. It's really cosy. Main cabin here, and then we've got this beautiful view of Sweden, where she's from. So we'll have a quick look at this day heads. So day heads with big roundel shower, freshwater loo there. Then heads controls for holding tank are just behind this mirror in there. Got a little sink in there with hot and cold water, and then a big walk-in shower. So that's the day heads, lights off. Starboard side, we've got a level twin. It's heated, it's air conditioned, it's got big bunks in it, it's got lights, it's got a really nice hanging wardrobe here. And there are two windows there. One has an opening pane just to get light in, and that's where your heater control is, right down there, the sort of little heater vent. Other side is being used as a storage shed at the moment by her owner, just to show you how much stuff you can pack in here. But that's a large double berth. Again, it's got this big tall hanging locker. And again, we've got opening port light in there, plenty of lighting, two fixed windows. It's your aft air conditioning grille, and then we've got these fantastic Perspex windows inset into the top of the saloon, so they're taking the light directly from underneath the windscreens right the way down to light this saloon area. Works really, really well. Underneath the floor we have air conditioning piping and trunking underneath here, and storage lockers underneath the rest. And then we've got this beautiful seating area here for 3-4, trimmed in mocha, alcantara and bone fabric in ivory. 4 lights here and plenty of storage in this beautifully figured walnut lacquered table. So that's your main saloon. It is beautifully finished throughout, and then there's a little TV set against the wall here with dimmers for all lights, and we're forward through the door into the main master cabin. So a couple of big drawers here for storing all of your bedding, etc. Huge double berth, fully lined throughout. Overhead deck hatch here. Plenty of light coming in through these lights on either side, and also we've got on this side, we've got air conditioning control just there. Small vanity area and another locker. And then this eye level range right the way around, and then a large hanging locker over to starboard, again with a little TV there and overhead LED lights. So it's got everything you need. It's got heater vent down there, and we'll just have a look, spin round and head into the heads compartment. So again, it's got a roundel walk-in shower, it's got a freshwater flush loo which is electric. All really neatly done in very easy to clean white GRP moulding with black tops on there. Let's just kill that light. Storage underneath the floor, and there's plenty of diffused lighting which you might be able to see there. So here we go. This is the Windy 46 Chinook. We really wish that they still built these boats. These were absolutely fantastic for their time. Very much tried but never actually beaten. This is Havildar. She's a Windy 46 Chinook. She's available through Berthon now. Thank you for watching. I hate it when I don't hit record. Havildar, 3, 2, 1, go.